Sky Blue. Spell it right, bitch. Every time I look at my life, I realize the struggle, this pain I hide. And inside my brain I contemplated life and death, and it almost made me a dead man. In the heavens brown, I took the pills, and I wondered how I went to that place you never found. I've been to light, I've been to after now, and everybody wanna realize this I say. I'm a motherfucking legend with the freestyle game. I'll battle anybody, especially Wayne, cause he don't wanna sign my ass, cause I ain't that man. Well, I tell you now, I'm gonna come so hard, and if I get in the mic, you best believe it's my art, and you better believe the one thing I start, I strike a match in a whole new accord, cause I get on the rap and get on the grind, and then I put the mic in my mouth and find every reason why I should go there. I'll tell you right now, I'm the man in here, so you can't stop me, you will never will. I will get in that mic and I will surely spill my heart out. I give it to God, I hear amen to the man on top. And I tell you now, I've been here so long and I contemplate that whole fucking sound. And I tell you now, you will never fucking find another man getting on the mic and grinding like I do. I tell you now, I do it too, and I do it unto you as you're doing to me. Do what you believe in the motherfucking game. Tell you one thing, you better say my name. Sky Blue is the motherfucking man. Sky Blue, he's a motherfucking man, and you best believe that in one hand is a mic and the other thoughts racing in his head is volume to my motherfucking raps. Is all kinds of shit that I put down in this fucking trap. I tell you right now is to get on the mic and never spit again, but I believe in myself. Believe one day now I'll be on the top and produce about a sound in my head now. I say the voice is raised, everything in my life and everything is okay, cause I'ma be a better man. I'ma get on the mic, I'ma show you motherfuckers right here is tight. Everything I do, I don't even write. I put a fucking verb on that shit and lie. I will go down in the motherfucking fame. I will go down like a legend in the game. I will spit on that mic every time I claim that rap game don't belong to you, it belongs to me, man. So listen up to this beat, listen up, cause I'm on my feet. I will never fall down and back to this earth. I tell you one thing, it's a gift and a curse, cause realize that the shit I do, I make it look simple but best to do. And you best believe one thing, I am true. And if I come back hard, it's harder than you, cause you don't wanna stop, you don't wanna give me all. You wanna stop everything till I fall, but I tell you now, I give it up to God and it leads to the path one time fucking more.